Okay, good day. So today we are going to make a DIY hologram. So the materials that we are going to need are boxes, marking tools, and measuring tools. I'm using a ruler and a pencil, cutting tools, cutter, or you can use a scissor. And to put it all together, I'm using a glue gun. And lastly, for our screen, or for the hologram effect itself, is a clear plastic bag, I guess. I'm using the where you put the long and short band papers. So let's start. Okay, so the design of your hologram will vary based on what screen or projecting device you will use. So it depends on, for example, your phone that you will use. So the first step is measuring you know, measuring the parts of our hologram like stand. So let's do that. Now, after we've done, let's now assemble the setup for our hologram and put it together by using an glue gun and glue stick. So yeah, let's go. So after the assembly, your hologram should look like this. Sorry for the noise. By the time I'm recording this, it is 7:52 till New Year's, till midnight. So yeah. So let's test our hologram. So for the hologram to be more effective, we're going to demonstrate it in a more darker place. And so let's put our display. Wait, wait. After putting it, we could see some images. It's not perfect because the the screen, I guess, that we are using is not straight. It's peaky. Okay, so this is the hologram DIY. Oh my god, DIY na DIY.